feel like having 1 or 2 glasses of hot water a day, like especially the morning time, makes our day so refreshing. First thing first, in winter season, we need to make a habit of drinking 1 or 2 glasses of hot water. And here I am doing a quick revision of mole concept. I am doing some numericals based on mole concept, which I've almost done yesterday. Yesterday was literally a busy day. Yeah, I'm saying no, literally a busy day. I was completely, doing maths, chemistry, physics. I don't know how my brain was, but fine. And at last I was doing chemistry. In that chemistry I'm doing mole concept, and if I do these problems, my total chemistry chapter will be done, and then I will go with structure of an atom chapter. So basically, term 2 has these 2 chapters, atoms and molecules and structure of an atom. So these are only the 2 chapters which are left. And basically friends, like few days back I just had my PT3 exams, and my marks was so awesome. Like the paper was of 25 marks and the exam was offline, not online. So in each and every subject I got 25 and 24, and that 1 mark is because of silly mistakes. Like in English I got 24 out of 25, in Hindi I got 25 out of 25, and in science also, like science ma'am, like we have biology, chemistry and physics, no, so any of them did not give our paper. And after that it is like social I got 25 out of 25, and after that goes with IT I got 24 out of 25. Maths I got 24 out of 25. It's a very silly mistake I did, so I'm thinking like I have to not do this kind of silly mistakes again. My mom is cutting onions. So the reason she's cutting onions is not to make a curry, but to add as a topping on the top of the dosa. So I've even shared my mom's dosa recipe. Like daily I have two dosas maximum, not 2. Like maximum is 3 dosas, but 2 is the average. So I'll have 2 dosas daily. So I mostly prefer one is egg dosa and one is mayonnaise dosa, mayonnaise with sauce dosa. So my mom loves to make them and I love to eat it. So, and here goes my egg dosa done. The dosa is ready. That's it, enough. Enough is enough. So heavy breakfast. So as soon as I had my breakfast, I had 1 more cup of hot water, because in the morning I had only 1 cup of hot water. So my mom scolded me and said you need to have 2 glasses of hot water. So as soon as I had my breakfast, behalf of drinking cool water, I just drank the hot water. Fine, now I'm going with physics. I'm almost done with the work and energy chapter, and this is the rest over part 3 of the Physics Wala Foundation lecture. Physics Wala Foundation is super amazing, just as Magnet Brains. Magnet Brains is my first I'm not going to give positions for the YouTube channels which are providing us free education. So yeah, I have completed the chapter work and energy, so I'm all done with term 2 portion of physics. The only thing left is with my chemistry, that is structure of atoms. Even my teacher did not start it, but I'm thinking to start it today or tomorrow. So here goes my physics notes, and physics is super important, super easy subject if we understand the concept. And not only to physics, you have to make notes for each and every subject. Whatever may be the subject, you try to make the notes, because making notes helps us in last minute revision. Okay, we can't read the whole textbook during the exams time, right? So we can just refer the notes. So for each and every subject, try to make the notes. And here you see I have pasted the formula sticky notes, that is after before doing numericals, I write down the formulas and then I start doing numericals. So it would be like a kind of revision. And here I'm preparing the monthly planner. Monthly planner is super important. Now you may ask, how is it important? Actually, this is the first time I'm preparing a monthly planner. I got the idea to prepare a monthly planner by following a few other YouTube channels. Like, I follow some other YouTube channels for reference purpose. Like, how are they going with their portion? How are their exams going? In that way, I refer. So many people were, preparing monthly planner, weekly planner to go through their exams smoothly. I know that each and everyone will have their own step of preparation, own step of way of preparation, but I thought let's try the monthly planner once, because just we have to include like a to-do list on this particular date, what tasks we should complete. So I tried it. It is super, easy to make a monthly planner. I've already planned my monthly planner. Now I'm going to show you how my monthly planner looks. Everyone knows that January has 31 days, but I've backed only 29 days because the last 2 days must be there for the revision of the exam, which is on the first day. So let's see. So friends, I have properly kept my monthly planner in a file so that it won't get damaged, because I have created it so, so well planned. Here goes my monthly planner. So I'll be pasting it here. So as you can see, this is how my monthly planner looks. So from 1st to 29, these are the tasks. If I complete my total term to portion of each and every subject will be done. So as you can see, today is Saturday, that is January 1st. So I have to read Nazism and the Rise of Hitler, and I have to complete the question answers of Smriti and Gillu, Hindi. Actually, I've already completed these 2 chapters, Smriti and Gillu. So I thought like Saturday is like Saturday, right? So I thought let us complete easy chapters, and Racism and the Rise of Hitler is also very easy. So I thought let's complete those chapters. So here goes my monthly planner. How does my monthly planner looks? So you can make this kind of monthly planner. You can use my monthly planner as a reference and you can prepare. And while I was preparing monthly planner, my brother bought me a 5-star chocolate, which I love so much. So here goes my 5-star chocolate. So hey guys, it's evening, not evening, it's almost night. It's 7:30 at present. So I'm doing chemistry at now, and I was unable to take the shooting after lunch because मेरी बहुत ही बुरी हालत हो गई है, because I just broke that phone stand. You can see it's bleeding outside, so I've just tied it over a plaster, so I can't use it at present. And my other phone stand is I'm unable to find it where I've thrown now. I was unable to find it, so I'm just showing you what I was studying, and I'm doing the NCERT solutions from the channel Magnet Brains. The channel is super amazing. So I'm done with only one question, because before that I was going with some theory part and I was doing some numericals. And my brother just bought me snacks. We say no atukulu, so I'm having some atukulu. Now let me have the atukulu, and then I'll meet you after atukulu. So friends, here comes the most amazing awaited part of this video, that is my New Year celebration. So I'm preparing the cake at home itself. So yeah, I'm preparing the cake under my mom's guidance. Actually, I knew how to prepare a cake because I have seen a lot of times my mom preparing cake. So I'm all ready. So this is me who is preparing the cake. So what I'm doing is, like, I have added some chocos. I've grinded, not completely grinded, I've grinded some chocos, and then I've added 1 cup of maida, and then my mom is breaking the eggs, like totally 4 eggs or 5 eggs, I don't know, but maximum 4 eggs we have used. So let's count how many eggs these are. So 2 are done. This is the 3rd one, and next goes the 4th one. I guess this is the last one, or no, I don't know, but let's see how many eggs we are going to add into this. Yeah, I think this is the last one. No, one more thing is there. Like, one more egg is there. So, basically, we are preparing a homemade chocolate cake, and the cake went out really very well. And here, my mom is adding 1 cup of milk into this, grinder jar. And here goes some oil. Oil is super necessary, while preparing the cake. So, a little bit of oil and 1 cup of sugar. So in this way we have added it to the grinder jar, and then let's grind it. And here goes the grinded mixture. So now what we are gonna do, we are gonna add this mixture. Before that, we have to add coffee powder. Sorry. Now the main reason why we need to add coffee powder is to reduce the smell of the eggs. Okay, reduce the smell of the eggs. The main reason. And next we are adding the baking soda, right? Baking soda. So baking soda is super important, right? Baking soda, or if you have Eno also, you can add any of these two. Okay, that way. Now again we have to grind it perfect. You see, we are heating the stove, like we are preheating the stove, like we have added some salt is important before we put the, the base of the cake onto the stove. So here goes the mixture. So before adding the mixture, my mom is rubbing the base with some oil so that the cake mixture won't get stick onto the bowl. And then it's time to add the before adding the batter, we can add some butter paper, or if you don't have butter paper yet available, you need to take some wheat and you have to sprinkle it in this way. So then you need to add the the cake batter. So now my mom is adding the cake batter into this. So come on mom, let's add it. La 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 la. So here goes the cake batter. The smell was so nice. Like I have tasted the cake. No, so I'm saying. So after tasting the cake only, I'm doing the voiceover. The cake was super amazing. It was super fluffy, and the cake was so large that we did not need to buy outside. So as you can see, there are a few bubbles on this cake which won't let the cake to be so fluffy. So as you can see, to get rid of these bubbles on the cake batter, but we have to tap the bowl in such a way that the bubbles will go off. So as you can see, my mom is tapping the cake base in such a way that the bubbles are gone. And that's it. Let's put the bowl in which we have added the batter onto the stove which have been preheated already. So let's wait. Hey everyone, so I think my cake is almost done, but I think it needs some more time. Yeah, it requires some more time. Yeah, and here goes our dinner for today. My mom prepared vegetable rice, which I love a lot because my mom included a lot of vegetables. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah, the cake is ready. The cake is ready, and we have waiting for the midnight 12 o'clock so that we could cut the cake. So let's wait. So guys, let's see how the cake goes. Oh my god, the cake is looking so tasty, right? So let's see. My mom is flipping onto the other, plate. Wow, this cake is so amazing.